Hi, I'm Nikki Sacksteder at Sacksteder's Interiors. I'm one of the floral designers here, and I'm going to talk to you today about our tree packages. This tree package that I have here is our red and white package. I have this on a 7.5 foot tree, and I've used half the product on the front. I'm going to turn it around here in a moment and show you kind of how I've put this together. With this tree, I have 2 bolts of the 2.5 inch red ribbon. Very pretty. You can layer different ribbons. This one I just used the one. Ornament wise, I have the large 6-inch ornament. I have a dozen of those. And then I have the gold, which is very pretty. And then also I have the little teardrops, and those are very pretty as well. With the ornaments, I have clustered this one here, the plain red. I've clustered the 3 together. So you kind of want to do a little variation of the different displays of the ornaments. These here I've kind of clustered the 2 together, the larger ones, and then I just had 6 of these, so I kind of scattered those throughout. With the teardrop, as you can see, I have this beautiful cattail sequence piece, and I brought the teardrop ornaments out. They're not hooked on the pine, they're hooked actually on the sequence spray, and then again on this pine sequin branch. And something else to talk about too is like these bursts. These here are very attractive. There's a dozen in the package. And this here, I've tucked 2 together, and I've just pushed them in together and nestled them in just to kind of bring a lot of whiteness to this dark tree. I have used half the tree package on one side of the 7.5 foot tree. I'm going to turn it around and use the rest of the product. If you would like, if this is tucked into a corner or so forth, you could actually use the other items to decorate your mantel, a banister, or even use as a centerpiece. So I'm going to flip this around and we're going to decorate the other side. And this concludes our tree for our red and white package. If red and white is not your colors, we have other tree packages that we also have available. This tree package has all of the items that you had seen. This is great for a 7.5 foot tree. You can also use it for a 9 foot tree. You might want to purchase 2 packages for that. We do have in our store components that match this. We can do a custom centerpiece for your dining room table. We can help you with your mantle. We can help you with anything else that you need. So just give us a call, stop in our store, or visit our website.